Welcome. In this video I will show you how to mute camera beep on SONY ZV-E10 Mark II. So if you want to disable all sounds on your camera, you can simply go into the silent mode. To do that, press menu button on your camera and then scroll left to the sidebar, then select shooting and then scroll down to shutter/silent, go to silent mode settings and enable silent mode right here. Now the other way to do this is to go back to the sidebar, scroll down to setup, then you're gonna have to scroll down to sound option on the following page and then go to audio signal shooting and then select off, and then also audio signal for start end, so basically for the video, and then also select it off next to it, and that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.